click Settings in the left sidebar, then click Selling, and then click Shipping. The shipping panel opens, showing either existing shipping options or an Add Shipping Option button. Click Add Shipping Option. A modal appears asking you to choose a shipping method type. Select Flat Rate. The Formula tab opens where you can configure your shipping costs. Give your shipping option a name. Standard shipping is a good example. You'll see two fields, per order fee and per item fee. The per order fee applies once per order, regardless of how many items someone buys. The per item fee multiplies by the number of items in the cart. You can use one or both. Enter your amounts in these fields. Next, click the Shipping Zones tab. This is where you select which countries or regions this shipping rate applies to. A search interface appears where you can find and select specific locations. Click on the countries or regions you want to ship to, and they'll appear highlighted or checked. If you skip this step, the shipping option applies globally. Setting zones gives you more control. You can create additional shipping options later with different rates for different regions. In the Formula tab, you'll see a handling fee field below the per order and per item fees. This is optional, but if you want to add a percentage to cover packaging materials, enter it here. The percentage gets added to the overall shipping cost calculation. Click Save. The panel closes and your new shipping option appears in the main shipping settings list. Add a product to your cart and go through checkout. Your shipping option should appear in the shipping method selection area with the correct price displayed. The cheapest option you've created will be pre-selected by default. Keep in mind that shipping options display in order from cheapest to most expensive at checkout. If you're using weight-based or carrier-calculated shipping, make sure all your products have accurate weights and dimensions entered in their product settings. If you want to create different shipping rules for different products, you can set up fulfillment profiles in the same shipping section. For conditional free shipping offers, create a discount rule instead of a $0 shipping option.